Howdy guys, Johnny G, Naked Racer Moto Co and antique motorcycles. Here we are next to our truck. Look what we've got today, one of my favourite bikes. I remember when these came out and it was just quite unbelievable really. Everybody else had like a Honda 4, a Quacker 9, or everything was a pretty ordinary looking bike. You know, the bike that preceded this was the GSX1100E. Again, you know, a very conventional looking motorcycle, and then all of a sudden out pops a Katana. Its proper name is the GSX1100SX, and obviously, you know, named after the katana sword, Japanese sword, and rightly so. At the time, fastest motorcycle, production motorcycle there was, over 220 k's an hour. I think 111 horsepower, a weapon, a real weapon. You know, they had the 16 valve twin cam engine with the twin swirl combustion chamber, and it was a rocket ship. You know, these things were designed by Target Design, a German company, Hans Mule or something, they were tested in the wind tunnel. That's where they designed them. So when the rider was on the bike, not me, because I'm way too big, but when you got on the bike, you were in the bike, and when you tucked down behind the fairing, the air went right over you. You were part of the bike and you were part of the streamlining. And, you know, hence probably why it was so fast, and just a beautiful design and a timeless design. And today a very collectible motorcycle. So this is an 81, first year, and we restored it for its current owner, a very good friend of mine, Dietz, and he was able to purchase a brand new black chrome exhaust system, brand new in the box. Pretty much that's the hardest thing to get on these, and he's got a brand new one. So they're beautiful. So they had an arm on here. You could adjust your shocks without a spanner. So when you put a pillion on, you could quickly adjust your preload on the back. They had a beautiful little instrument cluster that moved with the handlebars, and obviously the little bikini screen, and the clip-on design. So just a ripping bike, an absolutely ripping bike. And so from that original ironing board, sort of standard Honda 4, Quacker 9, to rear sets, clip-ons. This is it right here. So Target Design were chosen because they designed the R90S for BMW, and that was a very successful design as well. So Suzuki were clever in outsourcing their design for this bike. Target were really an industrial designer, but they were clever at everything, as you can see. You know, they come up with this. So I think what we'll do, rather than talk about all the little bits and pieces, it's just a motorbike with mag wheels. We'll get out on the road, see what it looks like on the road, and we'll talk about what we feel. See you out there. Quite laid down on this bike, and you're ready to go fast, aren't you? Go out there, give you a nice look at the bike. Beautiful bike. And the good thing about it is, once the wind gets on here, there's no pressure on your wrist. It's not one of those bikes that kills your wrists. Beautiful. Okay, that was pretty good fun, hey? A ripping bike, and a must for everybody's collection. So I had fun, hope you had fun. Remember to like, follow and share. Hit that subscribe button and see you in the next video. Adios.